All right, the famous pig beach in the Exumas. Gotta check it out. Captain Steve. And here they are. If you hear any high-pitched screaming and squealing here in the next couple of minutes, it's most likely the pigs and not me running away from them. Looks like feeding time. Perfect timing. There's supposed to be 20 pigs and piglets, a couple of roosters apparently. Best not to make any bacon jokes around this joint. There you go.
Thank you. Hey, Paul. You want that? And then go over there, that one is over there.
One sneaking up behind you. Seriously. That guy looks like he's got some sore back legs. Those guys are a little cocky. Oh, here we go. Dinner bells ringing.
And then you have 2 times.